looking to make a name for himself, but on his own terms. Kevin Lerena shot to international fame after testifying in the Oscar Pistorius murder trial. He told the court earlier in the year that a gun was fired into the floor of a restaurant when a friend, Darren Fresco, handed Pistorius the firearm.
You know, people always ask me about it, you know. It's something that I don't want to associate myself with. I'm isolating myself from the trial. You know, I got nothing against Oscar. He was always good to me. He was a big inspiration to me and will be still, you know. He was an inspiration to a lot of sportsmen. So I'd like to move on from it, you know. Like I said, it was a big shock to everybody. It was a complete accident by Oscar. And whatever happened, how the bullet went out the chamber, how the gun went off, I don't know. So we honestly just lucky it didn't hit anybody and nobody was injured. We're really lucky.
Lerena met Pistorius at a track day. He says he has kept in touch with the double amputee, but that his heart goes out to all connected with that tragic night when Pistorius shot and killed his girlfriend Reva Steenkamp.
Look, I think it's honestly sad what's happening. You know, two families have been affected, and it's unfair. I mean, Oscar Pistorius' family, the Steenkamp family, and one person's life's been taken. You know, whatever happened that night, it's just two families and two people have been affected. It's really sad.
For Lerena, the testimony brought unwanted attention, a distraction from his profession and his career in boxing.
It was a very daunting task, you know. I've never been to court in my life, you know. I just got subpoenaed, so I had to go. I was there to answer questions, not there to slate anybody. I just stuck to answering questions and telling the truth, because if you tell the truth, you'll never get caught out. So whatever was asked of me, I just answered. It was a very daunting task. I'll stick to in the ring. The ring's a lot better, more comfortable there. But yeah, I wouldn't wish that on anybody.
Kevin is now looking to put the whole Pistorius saga behind him as he looks to now make a name for himself in the ring. If he can win his upcoming bout next month, that would potentially lift him into the world's top 20. Not that he's getting carried away by that thought.
Everybody aspires to be number one. Everybody aspires to be in the top 10. For me, it's just taking each fight step by step. If you've got an unblemished record, your ranking goes up, and that's my biggest goal, to keep that 0 on my record, and then no one can say nothing. That is my goal, to go overseas and fly the South African flag high.
Lerena may have been caught up in the Pistorius circus, but he is determined that it will be his boxing abilities that will define him. Dan Williams, CCTV, Johannesburg.